There are many reasons to use open source software and many attitudes about how to approach it. One significant difference that some people have is whether they're pragmatic or idealistic with respect to this. On the pragmatic side, open source software offers certain important advantages. You can have faster and better development. This is due to having more contributors, more reviewers, more eyeballs, easier debugging, much easier implementation of continuous development and continuous integration methods to have a more rapid turnaround of changes. On the idealistic side, we mean free as in freedom, not as in beer. So the software should be open for ideological and ethical reasons, not just technical ones. In order to see how these considerations can come up, just consider two examples. Suppose you have software that powers a life-saving medical device, perhaps a pacemaker or something that's controlling insulin injections or something. Isn't it important that people have access to knowing that that software is stable and safe? What about elections? What about voting machines? One not only wants a good platform that is accurate, one wants to make sure it can't be hacked, and one wants to have confidence in the results. Unfortunately, sometimes conflicts between pragmatists and idealists have been pretty destructive, but there's really no reason for them to be in opposite camps. So that's some of the differences between a pragmatic and idealistic attitude towards open source software.